The earth, te whenua. It's where we make our homes. It's the foundation of our world. And it's also where I go when I'm hungry. Kia ora, I'm Temuera Morrison. My favourite food of all is what we call the hangi. And the hangi is the indigenous way of preparing food in Aotearoa, New Zealand. This way of cooking is coming together. It's the love that's shared. It goes back to Papa Tuanuku, our Mother Earth. And as it turns out, these remarkable culinary delights aren't just unique to us here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. From the Hawaiian umu to the peep in Mexico, earth ovens have been a reliable part of traditional cooking for thousands of years. Join me as I travel from New Zealand to the remote corners of the world on this globe-trotting adventure to discover new communities, wonderful locations, and uncover how their earth ovens have helped shape their own culture. And there's nothing I won't do. No ocean I won't dive in, no mountain I won't climb, to get everything I need to make a great kai or meal. I'm Temuera Morrison, and I'm hungry. From the earth to the plate, this is Earth Oven.